Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can apply for Robinhood debit credit card or gold card. So it is very easy and quick process. So first thing you need to do is make sure you are Robinhood gold member because this credit card or gold card is only available for the gold members. So you have to first buy the gold subscription of the Robinhood. So open up your Robinhood app and you will see the similar screen on your app. So you just have to click on this option, try gold for free, and then you will see the similar screen. Click on continue and then click on review, follow on screen instructions, and once you do that you will be able to join Robinhood Gold and then click on done. After you do that you will be put on the wait list for the Robinhood Gold card, and once you have been selected or approved for gold card you will see the similar interface on your Robinhood app. Then you have to click on this get your gold card button, and then from here click on continue, and then you need to agree these terms and conditions, and you will be able to see your credit limit of your credit card. So click on continue and then again click on review and click on again agree. Now this annual gold subscription will automatically build $50 to your new card. Your brokerage account will be credited for the unused day of your monthly plan. So once you confirm these details, you will be able to see the details when this card will arrive on your address. So you just have to wait for it, and once this card has been arrived you can download the Robinhood credit card app from the App Store or Play Store, and then simply open up your Robinhood account and log in with your account, and then you just have to click on activate your card, and once you do that you will be able to use your Robinhood credit card. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.